Hello everyone, welcome to my Project Ideas channel. Today we'll learn how to make a motorized colorful well using Arduino Uno. So let us begin. So first of all, for this we need an Arduino Uno, one small breadboard, one 9-volt battery, one DC motor, one diode, one nMOS transistor, one push button, one resistor, and some connecting wire. Now let us see how to connect this circuit. So first of all, we will be connecting the first terminal of the switch to the resistor and the second end of the resistor to this GND pin of the circuit. Now we'll connect the second terminal of it to this 5-volt pin of the Arduino and the third terminal of it to this 2 number pin of the Arduino. Now let us see how to connect this nMOS transistor. There are total 3 pins. So first pin is the gate pin that will be connecting to this 3 number pin of the Arduino. The second one is the drain pin that will be connecting to this anode terminal of the diode, and the third one is the source pin that will be connecting to this GND pin of the circuit. Now in this DC motor there are total 2 terminals. So first terminal will be connecting to this anode terminal of this diode, and the second one will be connecting to this positive terminal of the battery. In the same way, we will be connecting the negative terminal of the battery to this GND pin of this Arduino and the positive one to this cathode terminal of this diode. So in this way, our circuit is ready. Now let us see how the code is done. So this is our code. First of all, we have initialized 2 variables. First is the button to this 2 pin number, and the second one is the motor pin. And we have initialized state equals to 0. The state variable represents that whether the button is pushed or not. If it is pushed, it will be not 0. If it is not pushed, then it will be 0. Now in this void setup function, we have configured this motor pin for the output purpose and the button for the input purpose. Now in this loop function, what we are doing is we are reading that whether the button is pressed or not. If it will be pressed, then the value of the state will be high. So we will give the power to this motor high, so it will rotate. Else we will not give any power, so it will be low. It will not rotate. Now let us see how actually it will work. So for this, I am clicking in this start simulation. As you can see over here, I am pressing the button and this motor is rotating. You can also add a few amazing colors to it to make the wheel more colorful. Hope you like it. Thank you.